Welcome to the official unboxing video for Yuneec's Mantis Q. The Mantis Q comes in two packaging options depending on the model you purchase. We will be unboxing the standard version. When you open the box, you'll see a documents envelope. You'll find a content sheet, quick start guide, and other general information documents inside. Inside the box, the Mantis Q is secured under the foam sheet in a custom cut carrier that keeps the drone protected. The Mantis Q's foldable arms enable easy setup and compact storage while on the go. The Yuneec Mantis Q comes with a 16GB micro SD card installed to help you capture stunning 4K videos and images. With the drone and casing removed, you'll then be able to remove the controller from the package. The controller has foldable antennas which communicate to the drone, and a foldable latch to install your mobile device. The controller also has a USB port to connect your mobile device and a USB-C port for charging the controller. The charging accessories for the Mantis Q come in two separate boxes. The first box contains a power supply for the charger, a wall plug power adapter, and a USB-C type charger cable for the controller. The second, more narrow box contains the battery dock, which is capable of charging 3 batteries consecutively. You'll hear a beep when the battery is fully charged, and the next battery in line will begin charging. Your Mantis Q comes with a battery installed that is charged to 50%. To remove the battery for charging, press both button clips and simply pull the battery out. Finally, the last box contains a full set of replacement propellers and replacement screws. And there you have it. The Yuneec Mantis Q allows your creativity to take flight, so check it out. For other tutorials and unique content, please visit yuneec.com or subscribe to the YouTube channel.